Hi everyone, thank you for joining. In this video we're going to solve another interesting integer equation. So we are given this equality, and this is a question from Australian Mathematical Olympiads. So we have these integers x and y such that this equality holds, right? So if you'd like to pause the video and try it yourself first, then we could go over it together. Right, so let's first expand the left-hand side. We will have x to the 4 plus 4x cubed plus 6x squared plus 4x plus 1. Now, minus, we have x to the 4 minus 4x cubed plus 6x squared minus 4x plus 1 is equal to y cubed. So we have, in other words, minus x to the 4 plus 4x cubed minus 6x squared plus 4x minus 1. If you do some cancellations, that goes with that. 6x squared goes. We have plus 1 goes with minus 1. Okay, so in other words, the left-hand side is equal to 8x cubed plus 8x. And that's equal to y cubed. Now let's assume, to begin with, that x is greater than or equal to 1. Further, notice that we can write 2x cubed is less than 8x cubed plus 8x, as in here, and that would be less than 2x plus 1 cubed, isn't it? Yeah. So, in other words, we have 2x cubed is less than y cubed is less than 2x plus 1 cubed. That means 2x is less than y is less than 2x plus 1. So, but notice that this statement here is a contradiction. And the reason for that is obviously that the next integer after 2x is 2x plus 1. Since x is an integer, y is an integer, y cannot be between 2x and 2x plus 1, because these are consecutive integers, right? So this is a contradiction. In other words, this assumption here, so x is greater than or equal to 1, must be false. That implies we need to look at the values of x, where x is a non-positive integer. So x is less than or equal to 0. So we're looking for solutions x, y such that x is less than or equal to 0. But remember, the question was we had that x plus 1 to the 4 minus x minus 1 to the 4 is equal to y cubed, right? So notice that if xy is a solution to this equation, minus x minus y will also be a solution to this equation. And you can see that by simply replacing x with minus x and y with minus y. Okay, so it will be a solution again. So, but we have shown that for x is equal to greater than or equal to 1, there are no solutions. Hence, minus x must be non-positive. But then we said x has to be non-positive here. And now we are saying minus x must be non-positive there. So only number that will satisfy x is less than or equal to 0 and minus x is less than or equal to 0 is if x is equal to 0, right? So the only possible solution here, x is equal to 0. And if x is equal to 0, if you look at this equation here, the original equation, we're going to have 1 to the 4 minus 1 to the 4, which is equal to y cubed, implies y is equal to 0. So only solution to this equation is x is 0, y is 0. Well, I hope you found it interesting and inspiring. Thank you very much for joining, and I look forward to seeing you in my future videos. Thank you.